Hi, my dears. Today I would like to explain about some topics included in the calculus of parametric equation, 7.3 chapter in SUTET and calculus. So in the last video we have studied about the tangent lines to the curve and the horizontal and vertical tangents. Today, mainly the calculus of parametric equations contains these topics: tangent lines to the curve and the tangent lines to the curve. This is a line, and next horizontal and vertical tangents, and the second derivative and length of the curve, smooth curve, area of the surface of revolution, right? These two things we have already discussed. Right? So today in this video we will study about these three, that is the second derivative, length of a smooth curve, and area of a surface of revolution, right? Next is second derivative. In this video we are going to start with the second derivative. How to find out the second derivative for this function? How will you define the second derivative for a function y equal to f of x d square y divided by dx square? This is a second derivative, and this can be redefined as d by dx of dy divided by dx, dy by dx of d by dx of dy by dx, right? And also this can be rewritten as d by dt of dy by dx divided by dx by dt divided by dx by dt, provided that if this dx by dt is equal to 0, then only this thing happens. This definition is valid only if dx by dt is not equal to 0, right? So this is d by dt of dy by dx. First you have to find out this dy by dx. Next d by dt of this dy by dx. Next find also dx by dt and put it here. Example: x equal to t square minus 4, y equal to t cube minus 3t. Okay, so we have to find out, this is a question in this. Okay, how will you do this? First of all, we have to find out dx by dt, that's equal to 2t. Next we need to find out dy by dt. Dy by dt equal to 3t square minus 3. Then how will you define this dy by dx? That is already defined. This is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Dy by dt divided by dx by dt. And how will you define this dy by dt? Already we have got 3t square minus 3 divided by 2t. This is dy by dx. Okay. Next we have to find out d by dt of dy by dx, which implies d by dt of, but dy by dx is 3t square minus 3 divided by 2t, which is equal to what? We have to use the quotient rule. So 1 by 2 taking outside. So t into denominator, this t into what will happen? Numerator and denominator. So denominator into derivative of numerator minus This will be, I'm taking this 3 also outside, then this will be, this is actually d by dt of t square minus 1 divided by t. Okay, so this is 3 by 2 into t into 2t minus t into derivative of t square minus 1 minus t square minus 1 into derivative of t is 1 divided by t square, which is equal to 3 by 2 t square into 2t square minus t square plus 1. Taking this bracket out, negative into inside. I'm removing this bracket, then I will get this one. This is equal to 3 by 2 t square into t square plus 1. So next I have to find out this dy by d square y by dx square, which is equal to 3 into t square plus 1 divided by 2t square divided by dx by dt. Dx by dt is divided by 2t, that's equal to 3 into t square plus 1 divided by 2 square into 1 by 2t, which is equal to 3 into t square plus 1 divided by 4t cube. This is the answer, 4t cube. Is it clear? Yeah. Next is the length of a smooth curve. Length, how to find out this length of a smooth curve? Length smooth. How do you find out this length of a smooth curve? Suppose this is our length of the smooth, this is the smooth curve, right? This is actually, these are the smooth curve, okay? In this smooth curve, divide this into, actually we are doing that, suppose this is our straight line. This is straight line from A to, I have to change the color also. This is from A to B. Okay, for that first we have to note that x is equal to f of t and y equal to g of t. And how will you say that these are smooth? Smooth means f dash, g dash, this both are continuous. Both are continuous and are not simultaneously equal to 0. Not simultaneously equal to 0, except possibly at word at endpoints. At endpoints, that is A or B here. Okay, this is of smooth curve. This is a property of a smooth curve. Okay. After that, how will you find out this length of a smooth curve? This is our length. This is a smooth curve, right? And in this, how will you define this? How will you calculate this length of the curve? let P is equal to A equal to T naught, T1, etc. Tn equal to B with a partition of AB. You know that actually. In the case of the Riemann integration, we have studied about this partition, right? So here, you're using picture. I would like to explain. All right. So I have partitioned this into this is the partition corresponding to this T. This is T actually, right? Corresponding to this each T, find this X and Y, right? So this interval is subdivided into divided into subintervals, and corresponding to these subintervals, here there will be like polygon-like structures. Okay. Then what we have to do? This is the polynomial-like structures. This is f of t naught and g of t naught. This is f of t1, g of t1, f of t2, g of t2, etc. This is pk minus 1 point. This is pk point. Okay. In general, we will deal with this pk and pk minus 1. Okay. This is the length of this curve. Actually, the length of this curve is pk minus 1. Okay. How do you deal with it? This is a straight line. Okay. Then this is how will you find out this distance between these 2 points? Pk is actually the point what? F of tk, g of tk. Okay. And next is pk minus 1, f of tk minus 1, g of tk minus 1. Okay. Then how will you find out the distance between these two? So the distance is equal to square root of x coordinate difference square plus y coordinate difference square. That is f of tk minus f of tk minus 1 whole square plus g of tk minus g of tk minus 1 whole square. Root is also here also. Okay. And this is the length of this triangle. These type of kth interval are equally, not equal, not need, there is no need to divide this into equal parts. Okay. So here, the total length is, I can approximate this as the sum of k equal to 1 to n, the distance between the pk, the point pk minus 1, pk. Distance is here, right? Then next, how will you define this? What is f of tk minus f of tk minus 1, which is equal to, by mean value theorem, we can say that by mean value theorem we can say that f of tk minus 1 is equal to, which is equal to f dash sum pk star into tk minus 1, and g of tk minus g of tk minus 1 is equal to g dash tk star double star into tk minus 1. And how will you do this? Tk and tk star is actually tk star and tk double star belongs to where? Belongs to in the interval, closed interval, where tk minus 1 to tk. Okay. Then next, how will you define these? How will you prove these one? Okay. Is there any similarity with this Riemann integration? No, actually, this looks like Riemann integration, but this is not Riemann integration, right? After that, this can be converted into this one can be converted as what? L is equal to the summation k equal to 1 to n. The distance is square root of whole square plus g dash tk double star whole square into delta t. Okay, this tk star and tk is arbitrary actually. Okay, by letting limit n tends to infinity, limit n tends to infinity, what will happen? Sigma n equal k equal to 1 to n. Distance between this pk minus 1 and pk, which is equal to limit n tends to infinity summation k equal to 1 to n square root of this one. Okay, f dash tk star square plus g dash tk double star square into delta t. Okay, after that, let's limit n tends to infinity. This will become what? This is the definition. Root of f dash t whole square plus g dash t whole square into dt. That is integral from a to b. What is f dash t? F dash t means dx by dt. X is equal to f of t. Then dx by dt is f dash t. So this is dx by dt whole square plus dy by dt whole square into dt. This is the definition for this one. Right. Next we will do some examples also. In order to find the length of a curve, we have to do, suppose that x is equal to, we can do here, x is equal to, I can change the color. X is equal to what? A into theta minus sine theta, y equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Right, how will you do this? How will you do this? First of all, we have to find out that here dx by d theta, that's equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. And here dy by d theta, which is equal to a into cos theta derivative is minus sine theta, that is a into sine theta. Okay. So how can we define this? Then length L is equal to, this is given that this theta varies from 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 2 pi. So this integral from 0 to 2 pi square root of a into 1 minus cos theta whole square plus a square sine square theta into d theta, which is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi square root of a square into, that is common, 1 minus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta plus sine square theta into d theta. Okay, so this is equal to, taking this a square is taking outside, so that is 0 to 2 pi square root of 1 minus 2 cos theta, actually cos square plus sine square, that is 1. So this is 2 minus 2 cos theta into d theta. That's equal to integral a into integral 0 to 2 pi square root of 2 into 1 minus cos theta into d theta. What is that? Integral a into 0 to 2 pi square root of 2 into 1 minus cos theta into d theta. How will you do this? This is equal to a into integral 0 to 2 pi square root of 2 into 1 minus cos theta is actually 2 sin square theta by 2 into d theta, which is equal to a into integral 0 to 2 pi square root of 4 sin square theta by 2 into d theta, which is equal to 4 is taking outside 2a square root of sin square theta is 0 to 2 pi sin theta by 2 into d theta. So, which implies 2a into integral 0 to 2 pi sin 2 theta. I am taking this as sin theta by 2. I am converting this as sin t. Theta by 2 is equal to t. Then d theta by 2 is equal to dt. D theta equal to 2 into dt. So at last only I will convert this in limit. Up to that this is actually 0 to 2 pi. I am not substituting the 0 to 2 pi. Sin t integration is actually I have to convert this as sin t into dt is d theta is converted into 2 into dt, which is equal to 4 into integral sin t dt, which is equal to 4 into sin t integral is minus cos t, which is equal to minus 4a into cos t, that is cos of theta by 2 from word to word 0 to 2 pi. This is my technique actually. Minus 4a into 2 pi by 2, that is cos pi, that is cos pi minus cos 0, which is equal to what? What will be the answer? Cos pi is what? That's equal to minus 4a into minus 1 minus 1. So it's equal to minus 4a into minus 2, which is equal to a. This is our answer. This is our answer. Okay. In the next video, we can deal with the area of a surface of revolution and some more examples from the exercise of the textbook. Okay. Thank you.